Feels great when you go to another country and see new people and new cultures and meet a new world. Every human being wants to travel the world, and how good it would be if we went to other planets. We were able to see life on other planets. We were also able to get acquainted with the world there. But this dream is far from reality because the world of the planets and satellites of our own solar system is completely deserted and deserted. For us, going there would be like hell. But what if there were other planets like our Earth in the universe beyond the solar system, where there is a world like ours where there is life? They have their own culture, language. What if we could go there? Friends, I am your cosmic friend, he or Jai. Today I will take you to some planets that can be like our Earth, and where life can also be possible. Then watch the video to enjoy this interesting journey. Friends, there are 100 trillion planets in our galaxy Milky Way, most of which are boring and deserted. But scientists have painstakingly discovered a total of 5,500 habitable planets in our galaxy, which is better than Earth for life and where strange organisms can exist. Today we are going to know about 10 such planets. In the journey of finding life, we first reach Callisto, a satellite of our own solar system. Callisto is as large in size as Mercury. It is a satellite of Jupiter. According to scientists, there is a sea under its icy surface, just as life on Earth started in the depths of the sea. It is possible that life on a satellite of our own solar system is hidden under the ice of this satellite because the most important thing for life is water. We humans cannot live on Callisto, but a human base can be built on it. But friends, if we walk out of the solar system and meet the planet Proxima Centauri be present in our neighboring solar system, this planet is 4 light years from our Earth. It exists at a distance. And the most important, its meat is almost equal to Earth. We can consider it a copy of the Earth. These planets are present in the habitable zone of their sun, that is, the chances of going live here increase. There is a possibility of water on this planet, and if we go to its surface, we see 3 stars in the sky here. Friends, here at night we will see our house, our sun. To the light. It will take 4 years to reach here. But scientists have made some technology with the help of solar cells, with the help of which it is possible to reach here in 20 years. Scientists have found some radio signals from this planet many times, which suggest the possibility that there may be intelligent life here. But friends, a very big problem on this planet is that its host star is a red dwarf, which is quite aggressive. The stellar flares arising from this are so aggressive that they can end the life present here at once. There is another planet 12 light years away from our Earth. This planet is 1.5 times larger than our Earth. That is, we will have a large space to live on it. In 2017, scientists discovered this planet. There is not only water on this planet, but all for life. The essential elements are amino acids and hydrocarbons. This planet is good enough for us humans to live in. Some researchers speculate that aliens may also be behind its perfection. 1 year on this planet will be equal to 19 days on Earth. This planet is so good that a research organization named Soil sent some messages towards this planet so that if aliens are present there, they will get this message. These messages contain scientific tutorials on the sound of different musical instruments and the location of us Earth dwellers in the universe. But friends, if the gravity on this planet is very high, then here we will have to struggle a lot to do all our work. But friends, on this planet there is always day on one side and there is always night on the other side because it is its sunset and idly people. 40 light years away from Earth. There are 7 other such planets that are from their sun. Here not 1 but 7 planets are present very close to their sun. These 7 planets are so close to their sun that these 7 planets can fit into Mercury's orbit. The inner 2 of these planets are quite hot like Venus, and the outer planet Rapist 1H is much colder like Antarctica. But friends, out of these 7 planets, there are 4 planets that can live together on not 1 but 4 planets in the habitable zone of this star. The most important thing is that these planets are 8 billion years old. That is, if life was born here, it would have been born 3 billion years before us. In this case, if it goes live here, it will be our oldest cosmic sister. But guys, there is a very big problem here. These planets are cut-idly locked, due to which one part of them will be very hot and the other will be very cold. Because of this, life on these planets will be on the terminator line between them, which will be present here between cold and hot areas. If we humans lived on this planet, we would see 6 planets around the sky. Then we go. In the TOI star system, where we find not 1, but 2 habitable planets, whose meat is almost the same as our Earth. In this, TOI 700 takes 28 days to revolve around its sun. The TOC 700D completes another bit in 37 days. According to scientists, plant life may exist on these planets. Scientists believe that according to computer simulations, TOA is one of these. I-701 can be the best habitable planet, and these planets also revolve around an order of stars. This order of star is not as hot as our sun, nor is the solar storm here a threat to these planets. So it is possible for us to live here, but there is also a big problem here that these planets are present 100 light years away from us. That is, it will take 100 years for the light to go here. So we have to find many more planets that are like Earth. Next we arrive that OI stars exist 3,000 light years away from Earth in the system. 2 habitable planets KOE 5715 and KOI 5554. The temperature of the first of these planets is only 2.4 degrees Celsius lower than Earth. But these planets are 8 in size from Earth. If it is 8 times larger, then you can understand that this planet can have a population of 10 times that of Earth. That is, this planet will be big enough for at least 80 billion humans. At the same time, the temperature of the second planet is 27 degrees. That is, you will get a feeling like living here. In such a situation, these planets are comfortable, but friends, the gravity on these planets will be very high. That is, you have to apply a lot of force just to get up here. But just imagine if there is already a life form on these planets, then how powerful will it be in the body? Friends, our next stop is 452b. It is a habitable planet where 1 year is almost equal to our Earth, i.e. 385 days. According to scientists, liquid watering systems like Earth on it, but its gravity is very high because its weight is 16 times more than Earth. Percent is higher. You will be surprised to know that according to scientists, its high-density environment can be full of organisms flying in the air. AI simulations show that there is a possibility of balloon-like flying beetles. If we humans go to them, it will be very difficult to live here because due to gravity here, our heart will be very stressed. Here our heartbeat will run at double speed, which will make us more likely to have a heart attack. So friends, it will be a very dangerous task to get a heart from someone here, so brothers, let's go. A little closer to Earth, 24 light years away, this planet revolves around a triple star system. This planet has grown 1.5 times from our Earth and its sun sets and idly people. For this reason, the burning summer season on one side of it. It is found. While you may have gout, on the other hand, there is no sign of light here. That means if you are on the other side, you will not even know that you are moving around the sun. But the good news is that there is a habitable temperature in the twilight zone in the middle, which can be up to about 27 degrees. Artificial intelligence simulations here estimate pant-pods type organisms that can be the size of a dog. But friends, many times the volcano solar geysers become active here, due to which the temperature of the surface here becomes quite high. So we have to give up the idea of staying here. In our planet hunt journey, we reach the Arcturus star in the Bootes constellation, 36 light-years away from Earth, which is a star. It is so big that it contains 15 billion Earth. And there will be 17,000 stars like the Sun. According to AI simulations, there was once a planet similar to Earth, but when the star became a star, it swallowed this planet inside itself and made its surface ash. Scientists believe that if there was an alien life here, then he would have already sensed this danger and used the energy of his sun by making a large glass dome so that life there could be saved. Can save. Friends, you will be afraid to know that one day our sun will also spread and grow, and at that time we will have to save life on Earth. This is the reason why we have been trying to find different planets in the universe for so long, but friends, you do not need to be afraid. Because in the year 2005, we got a hope from space for scientists from space. The mysterious signal is received, and interestingly that signal comes from the Titan satellite hidden in the ring of Saturn present in our own solar system. Scientists speculated that there is some life on Titan because it is very difficult to get these signals naturally. In fact, according to this signal, scientists got signals of the presence of water, hydrogen, Gemini, and nitrogen on Titan, and all these things are essential components of life. That is, life cannot be made without it. This is the reason why scientists believe that life exists in our own solar system. Guys, on October 15, 1997, scientists sent the U spacecraft to Titan. The space probe gave us many unique information about there. As if Titan has large seas like Earth, but liquid methane is present in place of water in these seas. Titan has different seasons just like Earth. This satellite is tilted 27 degrees on its exit like Earth. Along with this, the volcano on Titan does not emit hot scorching lava but cold ammonia and methane like ice. Both these substances are necessary for the origin of any life, so friends, Titanic can be such a satellite where we humans can think of living in the future. But here too we have to solve a very big problem. That's the extreme cold here. In fact, due to Titan being far away from the Earth, only 1% of the sunlight coming to Earth reaches here, and 99% of that sunlight is also thrust by Titan's atom. Because of this, there is a lot of cold on Titan's surface. This temperature goes up to 179 degrees, but scientists will find some solution to such problems so that in the future they can settle on different planets and satellites. So friends, at the moment we have no certainty whether there is life on any of these planets or not, but if there is life, how do you think there will be the Alinsky language culture there? Will you see cultures like ours? What do you think about this? Do tell me in the comment. I will meet you in the next video. Keep roaming in the universe until then, because we are all that man.